قلتي قلبي بالصراحة
جميلة أوي الأيام
أنا بعيد الكراهة
وجميلة أوي السعادة في وسط الأيام
شاكرين على كل نعمة
بس الأجمل من كل ده إن أنت تكون سعيد
بعيدين عن الفتانة
I feel the heat from these 4 candles burning as I'm staring out the window. Solitude, a look of life from different angles. Thoughts strangle, my mind is suffocating in its truth quest. Agreed love that we abide by is ruthless. Enough for never satisfied until we're toothless. Filthy millionaires are gambling until they're moveless. A sad fact that life by mankind to prove this. I gotta call him, Sajada, it's where the booth is. I make it clear that I ain't even trying to preach here, but sharing thoughts I hope to find a little peace here. I thank Allah for blessing me to be creative. So here's a diss for me for being unappreciative. Wanted a perfect life, yeah, smile then die old. Fame, money, women, fat cripples and white gold. Try my own beamer before I hit 2-6. A straight pimp, bite toothpicks, and walk around town.